Hi guys, let's quickly go through the literary devices in the chapter The Tiger King. Dramatic irony. What is dramatic irony? When the audience and the other characters in the story know more than the main major character himself. In this story, the Tiger King does not know that he is not killed the 100 tiger. However, the other people know that the tiger has just passed out, fainted, and the audience knows more than the king. The second is they cover up for their mistake, and it's like a satire, and the Maharaja dies because of the wooden tiger. That's same because of he was it was um, the prophecy that he would die at the hands of the 100 tiger, and the audience knows that he is going to die at the hands of the 100 tiger. Now, satire is making a mockery of a situation in order to bring out the reality, in order to show the real picture, to point out the absurdity, and to bring about a change. Now, the story mocks at the blind arrogance of the rulers who shun aside the complete governance and focus on their own personal agendas. His misplaced priorities now, where he has to look for the governance, he implies taxes on people who aren't able to find the tiger, and he grants benefits to people who would find the tiger. So that's kind of a satire on the governance. Foreshadowing, when you get the idea of something, of an impending disaster that is supposed to happen in the author gives a hint as to what is upcoming in the story. Foreshadowing, the astrologer's prophecy sets the stage for the story's tragic ending. The Maharaja's obsession with the 100 tiger builds tension, leading the audience to know that something there's going to be something that they could expect from the story. Now, hyperbole, the Maharaja's extravagant title exaggerate his self-importance. His vows to kill 100 tiger is absurd and extreme. 100 tiger is like too many tigers. Personification, tigers practice birth control or committed harakiri to escape being hunted, where tigers are given the human quality. This adds humor and irony to the narrative. Symbolism, the 100 tiger represents fate, the king's fate. No matter how hard the Maharaja tries, he couldn't escape his fate, and the wooden tiger symbolizes irony. He feared the real tiger but was killed by an inanimate one. Uh, let's quickly also do the character sketch. Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, he's arrogant, self obsessed. His primary goal is only to kill tigers. He's determined and ruthless. He completely ignores the say the desires, the pleadings of his people. Rather, he focuses on his own killing of 100 tigers. He's foolish and short sighted, focuses only on tiger hunting while completely ignoring the state matters. Ironically, dies due to a wooden tiger, not a real one. The Diwan, he's cunning and opportunistic, sorry, brings a tiger from zoo to save his job. Fearful of the Maharaja, he helps manipulate situations to please the king, a symbol of sycophancy in politics. In politics, there are people who are flatterers, so that becomes the Diwan in this story. The astrologer, wise and prophetic. The astrologer predicts the Tiger King's death accurately. He's symbol of fate. He represents inevitability of destiny. No matter what you do, you cannot escape fate. A British officer and his wife, symbol of colonial powers. The wife indirectly forces the Maharaja to spend 3 lakh rupees only on the jewelry.